Hey y'all, it feels really good to be back in this space, and I hope you all have been taking care of yourself. As for me, I have a lot that I want to catch you up on. For those of you who are new here, I'm Lynsey Weatherspoon. I'm a portrait and commercial photographer, and for those who've been here since the beginning, thanks for sticking around. You don't know how much that really means to me. I really love being a photographer. And as I said, most of the work that I shoot is either going to be in the portrait, commercial, or editorial field. And I work for a variety of clients. And I hope that me coming back in this better headspace can show you just the love and the passion that I have for this particular art field. In the past on this channel, you've seen a lot of photography business videos. And though some of that content will still be updated and will remain the same, I'll also be talking about how to start personal projects, some of my favorite photography books. There'll be some interviews with some of my friends who are also in the photography field, and so much more. A lot of the videos that we see here on this platform that involve or talk about photography is usually centered around the pieces of gear that people own. And I'll be honest with you, as much as I love talking about gear and buying gear, this channel will only talk about the things that matter to me most, or the gear that has really taken things to a new level for me. What you have now and what you own now is going to be the catalyst to whatever ideas that you have. So I may talk about gear every once in a while, but please know this is not a gear-oriented YouTube channel. It's more so to get you into the groove and to get you into this much more passionate idea of what photography means, not just for me, but for you. It's been a while since I've been here, and I needed that time away to just really understand what was my purpose for being on this platform. I think a lot of us see this as another way to create residual income for ourselves. And yes, it is. Yet I know that representation really matters when it comes to any field that we talk about. So I've seen a lot of growth. I've seen a lot of other creators walk into this space, and it's so exciting. I wanted to come back with a much more clear purpose as to what to talk about, what may be missing when it comes to talking about photography, not just about starting a business, but how to maintain that business, how to maintain that level of creativity that you have. And you have to keep in mind that you have to be a much more mindful photographer, especially when you are, deep diving into these personal projects that may have a lot to either do with your life or maybe that of a friend or whatever it is. It's just that mindset that you have in order to continue to be that creator, to see yourself thrive in this space. So since I've been away, there have been a few major life changes. I've moved into a house. As you can see, I've cut my hair, and there are some other not so obvious changes that have occurred within my personal and my professional life. I took the time away to get back to the things that matter to me. All of those things outside of work, outside of just constantly being in this creative mindset that put me in a space of joy. So I've gotten back into swimming. I now have this amazing habit of visiting used bookstores to find vintage photography books. And that's been one of the most exciting things that I've started to do. But now that I'm in a new home, it gives me the opportunity to add more to that creative space that I have. What color am I going to paint the walls? What art pieces am I going to put up? What art books were going to be the centerpiece of my living room? All the things that, continue to bring me joy. Traveling, hanging with friends, just getting back to a place of balance and not being so caught up in this world or this photography space that is, pretty much my life. So removing the things that at times became distractions was the main purpose of me just getting back to self. And now I feel like I'm in a better place to talk with you guys again. In this season of my content creator life, my only hope is that I help you become a much more passionate and mindful photographer. The updated version of this channel will still talk about the aspects of having a successful business, growing your business, along with speaking with other creatives who are in the photography world and so much more. So thanks to those who've always been rocking with me, and thanks for the new folks that are here. I hope that whatever that you gain from here, that it allows you to see just how great of a photographer and artist that you are. I want to see you grow. So if you have any comments, just put them in the comment section below. If you're looking for updates, please make sure you subscribe. In the meantime, be sure to stick around because I have so much more that I want to share with you all. Happy New Year, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.